This is DJ Freecity. Just do business. What up, what up? It's your man DJ Freecity. Be sure to follow me, Freecity757.
Yo, so Freecity, doing business, right? And starting your own business, because I know your business acumen is very high, right? And I want to know, like, what is your journey? What was your journey of starting your business?
It was an interesting journey, to say the least. A lot of times I didn't know, it was trial and error. A lot of trial and error, just figuring out things as I went along, just seeking out my peers to get information. It kind of like I stumbled upon it, I'm a killer with networking. So I was out one day, I saw somebody doing working a brand ambassador gig, and I got to talking with them, and then one thing led to another, and they told me a little bit of information about it, and then I just took that information, just ran with it, and just started seeking out more information, more opportunities, started talking to more people about the brand ambassador industry, just so I can get more information on it.
So, like, just take me on, like, so when you say brand ambassador, like, what is a brand ambassador? Like, for the people that don't know, I know it's like, is it like what? Marketing? Like, break down the whole brand business and the concept of brand ambassador, and then, like, the tiers of brand manager or brand owner of an agency. So, because I know you're the owner of the agency now, so, like, break everything down.
Okay, so generally how it works is you have a client, maybe like a State Farm or something. They might have Falcons home football games or whatever. So they want to spread their messaging, get their advertisements out to the people, whatever the case may be. So what they will do is hire people called brand ambassador, which are just individuals who just interact at these events, whether it's a concert, football game, whatever type of event it is, just interact with consumers, spread the message. Maybe you might see them giving out t-shirts. It looks really fun. Sometimes it doesn't even look like work, the type of things that they're doing, because they're playing games, giving out t-shirts, just all sorts of cool things. But behind that, State Farm is getting their messaging out, whether it be, hey, switch over, we got low rates, whatever the case may be. So they utilize these individuals as brand ambassadors to get the one-on-one interactions with the potential consumers.
So, like, is a brand ambassador, like, per se, like, they model for the company, their brand, like, is it modeling, branding the company? Like, how does it intertwine, like, with when a person want to go and, like, what would they do to just become a brand ambassador per se, and what would they look for?
To become a brand ambassador, you just have to seek out the opportunities. Just go into how they do it generally is a staffing agency is the middleman between the client and the brand ambassador. So what you would do is seek out the staffing agency and then create an alliance with them. And then once you do that, they will let you know, hey, we have these events coming up here. Are you available? They might reach out to you. And if they like you, the client likes you, they'll hire you on. And that's the first step to becoming a brand ambassador, really connecting with the marketing agency who does the staffing. And then from there, the possibilities are limitless.
Ooh, so what like, when you say limitless, like what is the stream of income? Like, that's what you mean? Money?
It's like money, opportunity, just experiences. The potentials are unlimited. It really depends on the person. I have individuals, friends, and associates that I know. I've seen people buy houses from being a brand ambassador, just cash. I've seen people buy cars being a brand ambassador. I have a friend that's actually putting herself through medical school. I think she's in her third year of residency. She's actually about to go to Europe for like 3 months or something, all from being a brand ambassador. So it's really based off the individual. It's not for everybody, because it's not tough, but you got to constantly be on it. You got to constantly hustle.
Explain, like, when you say not for everybody, the people want to know, like, is it like the grind, or is it a struggle? Is it a grind? Because I know you say it's a lot of money in there.
It's a good earning potential in there.
Like what are the numbers? Like, give me a ballpark number, like a person could just see, like, starting off at entry level.
Entry level, you're looking at anything from like 15 to 18, maybe $20 an hour just to do basic handing out flyers, just calling people over, capturing their email and giving out stuff. So it's quite simple, and it just goes up from there.
Right. So what do you think a person like? So what is the tier levels of like break down the tier levels of?
Okay, so when it comes to the different tiers of brand ambassadoring,
we want to know the money part, man. Like
okay. So entry level, like I was just speaking about, 15 to maybe 18, $20 an hour. That is maybe some of your guerrilla marketing street teams where you might see individuals like promoting like a Rockstar energy drink. They're out in the field at a gas station like, hey, try this, try that. So that's basically your entry level. Most people, when they start into the brand ambassador industry, they start somewhere around there, guerrilla marketing, just simple stuff. None of this stuff is really complex to start with, but it's the bare basics. Is your entry level, like your flyering. And then from there, the next tier would be maybe team lead. Team lead is you're working on a project or a campaign, and there's some other brand ambassadors around, and you're the lead for the brand ambassador. So if something happens, you're the first point of contact for the brand ambassador, and then you would escalate that up to the supervisor, the client, so forth. Team leads typically make like $25 an hour, just depending on your experience, the project, the budget, the client. The client is very important. Once you get in the industry, you kind of see which clients have a reputation for paying a little bit more money. Your higher end clients, like if you're dealing with Porsche or Cadillac, they tend to be on the higher spectrum of things. I don't want to single anybody out, but your Chevy and your general domestic cars can, about average 20 or 25 an hour, just depending on what you're doing.